are here again. Welcome back. Once again, my name is Gbpusd and we are still back testing. So this is where we stopped in the last session, and let's keep on moving, and moving. Let me reduce this. Alright. We already saw the outcome of this trade. So let's move on to the next one. This was a winner trade for us. This trade was a winner. This stop loss was at break even. Alright, so let's move to the next one. Alright, so now this trade is here. We are looking for a reversal to the downside. That's what we are looking for. We are expecting a reversal to the downside. If you use this strategy and a very good trading plan, you will hardly lose the trade. You rarely lose the trade. And remember, once you are placing the trade, make sure that you check the news. If the news is coming out very close to it, make sure your trade is at break even or profit before the news comes out. So if it moves in your favor, fine, you have more profits. But if it moves against you, it will just hit you in profits, take you out in profit, or take you out at no loss, which is at BE, break even. All right, so let's move ahead with more of this. So you can see this is signifying a reversal. Let's go to 4 hours. So start our trade. All right, you can see this move upwards. It's a move upwards here. You can see this move up here. This is a resistance zone. We are expecting this price to resist downward. So you are looking for more confirmation for this resistance, right? More confirmation. So let's see if you have a confirmation on 15 minutes. All right. Now look at 15 minutes. What happened here? It gave us an end pattern on 15 minutes. This is an end pattern. This signifies our entry, like I told you before, from our list. Look at our list here. End pattern signifies our entries. End pattern for buy or sell entry. Right? This is our sell entry. End pattern. Look at the end pattern here. So this is our entry. End pattern is our entry here. All right. This is our entry. Okay. So now this price can still consolidate here before it comes down, because this entry is end pattern is on what, on 15 minutes, but it's still our entry. Now this is what we do here. We look for other conflicts. End pattern is number one, right? Now we need at least three. That's why I said number two. Now what do we have here? We have this zone, resistance zone. That's number two. Resistance zone number two. Now we are looking for another confluence, right? Another confluence. Let's see if we have a confluence here. Let's see on 1 hour. If we have a confluence on 1 hour, all right. Nothing here. Okay, this is like an end pattern on 1 hour. You can see the end pattern. Let's see on 4 hours. All right. So let's go back to 15 minutes. We need at least three. Like I said, we need at least three confluence. We have just two right now. Now let's look for psychology levels, trend line, psychology level, trend line. The price is below the high and low of the week. That is one. That is another one. The price is below the high and low of the week. Can you see where's the high and low of the week? Here, here, and we are still in the same week. We are still in that week, right? This is where it's tight. This is where it's tight. We are still in the week. We are still in that week. Let's go to 4 hours and see it. Make sure the confluences are met. This is December 4th, 5, 6, 7th. Yes, on the 7th, that same week, that's where we are, like on Thursday of that week. We are seeing that same week. Right? So 15 minutes, we are below the high and low of the week. So this is the high and low of the week here. So we are below it. So this is another confirmation. So you have three. We have number one, end pattern. Number two, we have resistance zone. Number three, we have below high and low of the week. And number four, you can see there's a psychology level here, 1.26 thousand. This psychology level, you can see when price came to psychology level, it could not pass it. It could not break it. It formed an end pattern here too. This is an end pattern. end pattern on psychology level. It came down. So it's forming another end pattern in this zone as close to the psychology level. So this is another short trade for us. So let's place our short trade here. Risk to reward. Risk to reward. Let's place our short trade here. Downwards. Okay. Let's do it again. Yeah. Move it forward. I want to reverse this. Reverse. Our stop loss will be below here. Our entry is here. We are risking one to get to, right? So how many are we risking here? Alright. We are risking one to get to. This is a sell trade. Okay. Now this is, remember, you can see our top is below this zone. I'll give it some breathing space below this zone so that it gives us more edge in the market that okay, this price cannot get here because there's a psychology level here that it cannot break past. So that is how we do it on this trade. So let's play this trade and see how it goes. Remember, when we go 10 pips in profit, 10 pips in profit, we do what? We move stop loss to break even. Now we are selling. Let's know how much this is selling now. Um, so it's selling how many pips? Let's calculate these pips. This is just oh, this is 10 people already. This is 10 people. This is 10 people already. So since you have gotten 10 p profits, this is 10 people already. So since you have gotten 10 p profits, move stop loss to break even. If it hit us at break even, then we will look for another entry. We know we didn't lose. Now we are since we moved stop loss to break even, we have moved our take profits to this point, or we can leave it open because we are already running a risk-free trade. All right. See how trade now the trade came back to hit our break even, right? So we look for another entry. So this trade is at break even. Now assuming we moved it to profits, assuming we were able to move this to profit because in this risk reward you can't move it to profit, but in normal trading setup, I can actually put my instead of break even, I put it in profit. So it will still be a winning trade for me. You understand? It will still be, but this is at break even. Now I told you before this trade can actually go back and still go in our favor because this our end pattern is on 15 minutes. Let's look at 4 hours. If you see an end pattern on 4 hours, then you know this trade is good for us. All right. So we are still in this zone, so we are still selling at this point. My bias is still selling. Let's look for one more trade here. And you can see also this will give me N here. You can see this N, this 1 hour N. Let me use this once. 1 hour N. Not that one. This is 1 hour N. One give us N here, so we can see shoot for itself from here. Remember that one closed at the break even. Now let's go to 15 minutes. Shoot another sell from here. Another sell. I can still use this guy. This one here. Let me see use this reward here. easy entry. I'm risking 24, so I'm aiming times 2, 50, 48. All right, so let's see the move. Start moving our favor. At 10 pips, the move stop us to break even. So let's check. Is it up to 10 pips? Is it up to 10 pips? Okay, this is up to 10 pips. Stop loss to break even straight away. So we can reduce this and see if it's going to win. You can see it's going in our favor. We can leave an open roof. We can be moving the stop loss. This stop loss is at break even now. We can be moving it. We can be moving it like 10 pips. We put stop loss at 10 pips. Move it out as the price is going up. We'll be moving our stop loss instead of straight profit. Straight profit might still be at 50. But for the sake of this video, I'll leave my take profits here at 22 pips. You understand? So you can see it hit us at 22 pips. So this trade is the remaining trade for us. So let's keep on doing this. You can see we barely have losses, and this loss is going to be like one loss that we're going to get. I'm not sure we're going to have any other loss on this trade again because of all those things we are applying. Once our trade goes in our favor, we move stop loss to break even. So we hardly have a loss. It's either we win or we don't lose, we don't have a loss. So what happens sometimes is maybe if you place your trade, you're not watching the chart when it gets to 10 pip and to move your stop loss to break even. When you come back, you see yourself in loss. But when you place your trade this kind of strategy, you have to make sure you are maybe say give yourself some time, 30 minutes time. You come back, you watch the charts, you see what is playing. Has it giving me 10 pips profit? So I'll move my stop loss to profit or move it to break even. That is how you actually work with it, and you barely have any losses. You only have gains and gains. And make sure you know that um, trading is not a get rich quick scheme. Something you do winning one step at a time and until you get there. If you don't understand some of these terms I'm using, make sure you leave a description, you leave a comment in below, leave a comment below. You see my link in the description below. Follow the link, my WhatsApp link, send me a message. So I'll tell you more about some of the terms I'm using if you don't understand what we're doing. But if you already know the terms, make sure you backtest this by yourself and make sure you subscribe. This is the end of this video. I'll make one more video backtesting this from this video, like a continuation from this video, just one more video backtesting this. Then you see how profitable we are. That will be like maybe 2 trades. I don't want this time to be very long. That is why I'm trying to make the video very short. All right. If you have a question, you can come join my Telegram link below. And whenever we want to go on live to backtest or to analyze the market together, we join the live and we do that together. All right. With this same strategy, everything on this list is what we'll be using. And as you can see, we've had just one loss, and that loss we had is because we were not supposed to have that loss because I didn't check how many pips it was. It gave us 20 pips, which I would have moved my stop loss to break even before time, before it even went back. So it either hit me in break even or hit me in profit, or for the fact that I moved my stop loss to that point, which is break even, I would have reduced my take profit because I'm risking nothing to get that to that point. So I would just be either in profit or in no loss at all. So see me in the next part. Thank you. Congratulations to you to follow to this point, and I hope you followed everything and you watched this video over and over again. And I want to urge you to do your own due diligence, to backtest this same thing